Reducer is the most important part for robot, NEWker-CNC, using the famous Chinese brand leader drive for RV and harmonic reducer, because of the robot controller is our own design. The robot is suitable for widely area, and also can control all kinds of structure robot, like AB, KUKA, Kawasaki, FANUC, etc. NEWker-CNC robot controller from 2 to 24 axis. Robot arm from 4 kg to 160 kg, with teach function, G-code, offline program, search function, vision function, tracking function, etc. Be competent in any field, like welding, palletizing, load and unload, handling, polishing, etc., making practical and ideal robot products to service the world.